The Dorton Solar Deck Light is the sleekest decking light on the market. Hi everyone, I'm Becky and this is the SolarCentre, where solar lighting actually works. This is everything you need to know about the Dorton Solar Deck Light. Let's get into it. Our Dorton Solar Deck Light combines modern design with advanced technology to enhance your outdoor spaces. It has a sleek anthracite grey finish and emits a warm white glow. This light has a 12.5cm diameter and is designed to work year-round. Let's unbox and have a look. So inside the box we have the light and we have the instructions. To set these lights up, you'll need to measure a 11.6cm hole. Then carefully place the lamp unit into the hole. Make sure your light casing is flush to your chosen surface, otherwise it may cause a trip hazard. Your light should then be in position to start collecting those solar rays. When you unbox this light for the first time, it will be locked from the factory for safe shipment. All you have to do is put the light under sunlight to activate it. If you'd like to turn the light off again, simply place the panel face down. This light has a dust sensor, which means it turns on automatically after dark. It's also completely wireless because it has a hidden integrated solar panel built into the light. You can also replace the batteries by unscrewing the unit, making it perfect for longevity. If you have any questions on this product, please leave a comment below. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.